like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DB Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper koala bear. So let's get started. First we will take a grey paper and fold it in triangle. Now fold these edges till the middle point. Now take this one part and fold it like this way. Same way with this one also. And fold this point till here. Now fold this point till this line. And now flip it. And now fold one part here and another part at back. And the bear is almost ready. Let's put eyes and nose. And the koala bear is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.